This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable takeout containers, specifically these Taipei compostable food containers. They're made from poplar wood, which is an awesome, sustainable, and renewable material. And you can see it gives it a lovely, nice, beautiful, natural finish, right? We have that soft wood color, which is fantastic. It's a sophisticated option for takeout establishments if you're looking to step up your container game, especially if you're looking for something that's a little more eco-friendly. They have a glassine lining, which is water and grease resistant, right? Making for less leaks and messes. And they have coordinating matching lids that go with them, right? So you can see the matching lid here for this one, right? It's nice, clear lid, which means you can easily see what's inside, making them a great kind of grab and go option for establishments, and also a great spot for some branding or a label, right? So easy way to pack up packaged goods or to use as takeout containers. Just keep in mind that the lids are sold separately. And we have a few of the different size options here. We have the 18 ounce long straight side, right? The 17 ounce square straight, the 23 ounce rectangular straight, and then there is the 14 ounce square flare, and you can see it has these little flared edges for just a little bit of extra style, right? And then we have also the 20 ounce rectangular flare. And then we have some great oval and round options, right? We have a 33 ounce round and a 38 ounce oval. So these are fantastic for sushi, dim sum, dumplings, to pack up lunches with so many designs and sizes. They're great for things like salads or even doing things like little charcuterie or grazing boxes. Charcuterie boards and grazing tables have been so popular that a lot of people are looking to opt for mini options of those. And with all the different sizes, these are a fantastic way to do it. And that lovely poplar wood is a great warm feeling, right? That's reminiscent of the boards that those are normally served on. So this is a fantastic takeout option for things like charcuterie boxes, grazing boxes, and also a variety of things like sushi and dim sum.